नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis and Shri Shri 1008 Shri Mahamandaleshwar of Mahanirvani Akada, Shri Swami Vishweshwarananda Giriji Maharaj, and Swamiji is the 11th Mahamandaleshwar in the lineage of Sannyasashram Gurus. Sannyasashram is headquartered in Mumbai and also is the president of the Suratgiri Bangla Haridwar. He belongs to Mahanirvani Akada, and Suratgiri Bangla has a beautiful temple where Shankar Baba lives. All of you know about Shankar Baba. You don't need an introduction. All of you know the story. And it is in the Swamiji's ashram. The Shankar Baba's temple is there and Shankar Baba lives. There's a beautiful place. Because all of you know, I don't want to elaborate on Shankar Baba's thing. All of you may be aware that when I was doing tapas here in 1995, Shiva himself appeared as a sannyasi and gave food and medicine when I was not feeling well. And he had was wearing certain pen which normally sadhus don't use. And he told me his address. When I went there and I saw only this Mahadeva. Shankar Baba is wearing that pen. He also told me his name is Shankar Baba. And Shankar Baba is in Swamiji's ashram. So in a way Swamiji's ashram becomes our Guru Gaddi. Because Mahadeva lives there. And Swamiji has a beautiful, great Guru Parampara, amazing sadhus, unimaginable Mahatmas. And the whole place reverberates with so much of spiritual energy. And Swamiji has also expanded the organization so much, and he has many branches now. And he is doing a lot of good work by spreading Hinduism and Vedanta, and created many spiritual activities and religious activities. I welcome Swamiji for today morning's satsang, for coming here and gracing us. And I welcome all the centers, Sri Mahants, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedars, all over the world sitting. The city is sitting with us. Toronto, Canada, Kulim, Tiruttani, Ohio, Prayag, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, Phoenix, Kanchipuram, Nityananda Nagara, Bidadi, Oklahoma, Somanatham, Toronto, Kailasam, Redondo Beach, California, Seattle, Chidambaram, Charlotte, Srisailam, Los Angeles, Arunachalam, San Jose, Madurai, Kuala Lumpur, Palani, New York, Varanasi, Singapore, Singapuram, Coimbatore, Dhyanapetham, Indrani, New Jersey, High Point, North Carolina, Houston, Kalahasti, Balasant Training Center, Bidadi, Santa Fe, New Mexico, Bangalore, Bogota, Colombia, Hyderabad, Gupta Kashi, Dakota Dunes, Tune Moon, Hong Kong, Nityananda Nagaramu, Hyderabad, Port Washington, New York, and London, Kashi. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today first I wanted to request Swamiji to bless us.
Sahanavatu Sahano Naptu Sahaviryam Karvavahi Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahi Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. We are very lucky. We are standing bend up Ganges river of holy river in Haridwar. We are sitting here with Mahamandaleshwar Swami Nityanand Maharaj. We have very beautiful paramparas. We have tradition of Sanatan Dharma. We are so lucky we can found something what we say as soul, Atman. Therefore, all of you here and everywhere in the world listening and watching to Maharajji, we have very good tradition. Maharajji, he met me few years ago in the Surat Giri Bangla. I got message, some great saint come here and he want me to you. So it was afternoon. I sat in my Gadi. Swamiji came with big group of bhaktas, devotees. He sit just near my Gadi. And always he is traveling alone. He is finding something for you. He has already, but all new things, new ideas, new Shaktis he is finding in Himalaya. So he told the story. He was not well in the Haridwar. He told me I was alone traveling in the Himalayas, and after that he came to Haridwar. But his body was not good. He has got diarrhea and he was somewhere. He couldn't get up for the bhiksha, and some Mahatma came there and he gave some food, he gave some prasadam. After a few days, 2 or 3 days, he was searching that Mahatma. Where is that Mahatma? So many Mahatmas in the Haridwar. Nobody tell, I don't know him, I never see him. Still he was searching. So who was that Mahatma? And I think Swamiji told me His Mahatma's name was Shankar Baba. He gave address also. So that's Suratgir Bangla. So he is searching, still searching, and he went to Suratgiri Bangla. Suratgiri Bangla is beautiful place. Not beautiful. It is very powerful space. So many Mahatmas, they live there, and so many Mahatmas there was, they did tapasya in that place. There is one story. Long before ago, hundreds, more than 100 years ago, some lion just came there and he gave their children in the on the corner. And some Mahatmas, they were staying in the other place, other corner. When they grow up and they went somewhere in the jungle. That is the Suratgiri Bangla. And there was so many Mahatmas was staying, more than 100 Mahatmas was staying there in the kutiyas. And that is the place, the Suratgiri Bangla. Swamiji told me, I came here and I saw same kamandal, same plate was there in that temple, same pen was on the deity of Shiva's. So he saw, this is Shankar, this is Shankar Baba. So who can find this one?
Same cloth, Maharaj.
Same cloth. Who can find this one? Who has clear heart? Who has analyzed, who has give darshan like that God, Swayam Shankaraha. So he told me that story. We know each other since few years. We are by body, by physical body, we know each other since few years. But we had contact, we had relationship since so many years, so many years. Because body is coming and going, birth and death, but soul, Atman is continuing traveling. We are finding where is the God, what is the ourself. So he is also searching, and he searched, he find, because now he is doing some work for this earth, this universe. In the universe, many people, they don't know what is the actual our destination, what we have to do, what we are doing. They don't know. Just they know, just we are human being, just we born in the some family, some caste, somewhere. They don't know what is the we are. Therefore, soul Atman, we calling Brahman, we calling Brahma. What is the Brahma? Who control this universe or the Brahmand, and we still searching it. Swamiji, just he is not sannyasi or Mahatmas. Just in this birth, he is traveling, continue, he do sadhana. Bhagavan Shri Krishna says, Bahunam janmanam ante jnanavan mam prapadyate vasudeva sarvamiti samahatma sadurlabha. Since long time, he is doing his sadhana, and now this time he has some duty. What is the duty? He has everything. What common man they kalpana, they dream, we can take this one, we can achieve this one. He has everything, but still he has one duty. So who is the common man? Who is the common people? They also search, they also find themselves. Therefore, he is traveling all over India, all over world, and he is giving message. Who are you? What is your duty? What you have to do? All over India, all over world. And just like this man, this saint, they have so many hurdles. Because in this world, this universe, two types of the generations, one call to Deva, and we call Rakshasa, demon, devatas. So sometime he getting some problems, but inside is clean. Inside is no ignorance. Therefore, he still always give you his smile. Never he got disturbed. You watch him every time. I watching him every time. Always he is happy. Always he is happy. When I saw him in the Kumbh Mela, before that, always he is talking about satsang, about Vedant, about yourself, because his duty. Our duty, but he has big duty. We are also doing in our ashram, satsang in our ashram, but it is not so easy. He is coming from Bangalore, main ashram, to Haridwar, and long time. I am also here 1st March till today, but he will here stay to 31st March. He has many ashrams. I am watching here. Many ashrams in the all over the world. He is giving message every day to them. You continue this tradition, because this tradition is very valuable. This tradition has really what we are. So therefore, Swamiji doing his work, And so many sages did this work since beginning of this earth, beginning of this universe. We are telling in the Guru Parampara, Sadasiva Samarabdham, Shankaracharya Madhyamam, Asmadacharya Padyantam, Vande Guru Parampara. This long Guru Parampara. And we attest with directly God, directly Brahman, because this knowledge started from Sadasiva, Bhagwan Shankar, Bhagwan Narayan, and came by just like Ganga coming from Gangotri, still is going on, and not disconnect, continue. Ganga flowing to ocean. Same like that, our knowledge started from Brahman, who is the creator, saver and destroyer. That is Brahma. So this knowledge coming from there, and same that knowledge we give, you say, you give lectures, swadhyay to other. My Guruji was great saint. His Guruji was great thinker. He wrote many books on the Sanatan Dharma, Hinduism, and he was great scholar of Vedantas. His Guruji was. So you can say it is long tradition to up to Brahman, up to God. So same duty. Swami Nityananda, Mahamalleshwara. Now we can call Mahamalleshwara because Sant Samaj, all saints, we are getting together in the Kumbh Mela, and in the Kumbh Mela we give this offer, this present this Mahamalleshwar Pad to Swami Nityananda. He is now Mahamalleshwar of Mahanirvani Akhada, and you are so lucky. You are in his satsang. You are staying in the holy place, holiest place in Haridwar, because Gangas coming first time in the level in the Haridwar. This is the Saptarishi. Saptarishi where do tapasya here. So really we are so lucky we are in the Haridwar, and especially yours who is in the Haridwar, and also who is watching from all over the world. They are also lucky. This is message going to holy message. Who are you? What we have to do? So really, this is the great time, great pleasure, and great grace of Gurus, Paramatma, Brahman, God. We are getting something pure in the Haridwar. So I am also very thankful. Yesterday we met in the Bhandara. So Swamiji told me, how long are you here in the Haridwar? I told, I am leaving from Haridwar on the 15th tomorrow. So he told me, Swamiji, please come tomorrow here. I accept, not accept, it was my duty, because he's not my he's just his friend. He's in our parampara. I don't know that time when he came to our ashram. Since that, वो मानते हैं कि ये हमारा गुरु स्थान है. He always he say, this is my second guru sthan. Second. First in the Calcutta, and next in the Haridwar. Is going little higher and higher. So very thankful of Swamiji. And also sometime I am traveling in the western countries. So last time also Swamiji told me, please you go to my university in the Los Angeles. Next this year. So we have one program in the Bombay, and I'll invite Swamiji. Please, you visit our ashram in the Kankhal with all of you. If you have time in the future, you can do program in the Bombay. Good ashram. There also big temple. So many temples there, but main big Shivji temple. That name is Kashi Vishwanath Mahadev. With Kashi Vishwanath Mahadev, one side is Adi Shankaracharya, other side is Lakshmi Narayan, big hall, and it is about in 2.5 acres land is there in the big Maidan ground. So I request to him, I give my invitation, please you come in the Bombay also. And we have about 12 other ashrams, 5 in the Gujarat, 1 in the Madhya Pradesh, 1 in the other place, Varanasi. So Swamiji is now he is Mahamalleshwar. Also, Swamiji is part of our ashram. So we have to find out what we are, what I am. So therefore, is Sanatan Dharma gives many messages. Dharma, Artha, Kam, Moksha. We have great opportunities. We can join with Dharma. We can earn money, earth, calm. We can get so many things what is in the world, and finally we can find moksha. So every woman being going on that way, so we are also going same way. So Swamiji will give some message, blessings to all our world. So thank you very much for coming to.
We sincerely thank Swami 1008 Sri Mahamandaleshwar Vishweshwarananda Giriji Maharaj, and we sincerely thank Swamiji for being here, and on behalf of me and on behalf of Dhyanapeetham, we offer our humble respects to Swamiji for being here and blessing us. We also invite Swamiji to our Los Angeles University and to our US ashrams to visit us and bless us, grace us with his spiritual message and his presence. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
Nityananda Dhyanapeetham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.